This is the coolest travel keyboard. It's very lightweight, but also feels very sturdy and quality made. It folds up real small to fit into any backpack pocket, and the folding mechanism is really strong. It's not cheap at all, and when it's closed, it has this really nice plaid fabric surrounding it. You power it on with the switch right here, and it has a long-lasting battery that can also be recharged via the USB-C cable, which it comes with. The keys are really easy to type on, and they feel real nice to the touch thanks to the scissor key switch, and there is no latency when you're typing. They provide you with some great function shortcuts on here, and one of my favorite features is that you can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices to quickly change with just one touch of a button. Say you want your laptop connected, then you want to switch over to your iPhone and then switch over to your iPad. You can easily set that up and switch it with these 3 buttons. So it's portable, quality made, looks amazing, feels amazing, and I highly recommend it, especially for traveling or as a gift. And as always, thanks for watching.